Brinkley made a big entrance into the RV world with its Model Z lineup, promising something different in the mid-size fifth wheel category. The focus was on blending luxury, smart functionality, and solid build quality into one package that didn't feel like a compromise. Now in its 2026 version, that lineup has grown and evolved, offering more options than ever. One of the latest additions is the Model Z 2700, and it might look a little familiar at first. That's because it shares some inspiration with Brinkley's travel trailer designs, but it's been reworked into a compact fifth wheel with thoughtful upgrades. The end result is a sleek, modern RV that feels both practical and upscale at the same time. Brinkley may still be a newer brand, but they've clearly focused on doing things right from the start. Their approach is all about delivering premium features and smart design without pushing into completely unreachable pricing. You can see that philosophy throughout the Model Z 2700, where everything feels intentional and well put together. At just under 30 feet long and riding on dual 7,000-pound axles, this RV makes great use of space. With 3 slide-outs, it opens up nicely once parked. It can sleep up to 4 people, but it's really best suited for couples who want extra room to relax and live comfortably, especially on longer trips. Walking inside, you're greeted by a spacious living area. The large L-shaped sofa immediately stands out, complete with reclining seats that offer heat and massage features. It can also convert into a bed, and there are plenty of charging ports built in. Across from it, the entertainment setup includes a big smart TV, an electric fireplace, and built-in storage that keeps things looking clean and organized. The dining and workspace is another clever touch. The adjustable table can shift and extend depending on what you need, whether that's eating, working, or just extra surface space. It's one of those features that adds real flexibility to everyday life inside the RV. At the rear, the kitchen really steals the show. It's a roomy L-shaped setup with an island that can expand into a wraparound workspace when needed. You get residential-style appliances, generous storage, and smart details like pull-out pantry shelves and soft-close cabinets. Everything about it is designed to make cooking and daily use feel natural and convenient. Up front, the bathroom and bedroom are slightly elevated, giving a more private and residential feel. The bathroom includes a full shower with a glass door and upgraded fixtures, along with a porcelain toilet, vanity, and storage for linens. It connects directly to the bedroom, making the layout feel seamless. The bedroom itself is comfortable and practical, featuring a queen bed with storage underneath, overhead compartments, bedside tables, and a large wardrobe built into a slide-out. There's also a TV mounted at the foot of the bed, adding to that home-like feel. This RV is built for all seasons, with insulated windows, heated tanks, and an enclosed underbelly. It also comes equipped with dual air conditioners, a furnace, automatic leveling, and solar power on the roof, making it ready for a wide range of travel conditions. With a starting price just over $118,000, it's definitely not a budget option. But considering the quality, comfort, and thoughtful design, it offers strong value for anyone looking to upgrade their RV lifestyle. The Model Z 2700 feels like it was created with real-world use in mind. It's not just about appearances, it's about making life on the road smoother, more comfortable, and a lot more enjoyable.